Okay, so here I've got the Apple keyboard with the Magic Trackpad. Option on it for my this is the 12.9-inch iPad one here. Now I have dropped it a couple times. You can see I've scuffed it up a bit, but it's pretty resilient for having been dropped a couple times. But I'll tell you, the trackpad is totally worth it, and it makes it super easy, so you can literally just pop your iPad right on it, just like that. It's ready to go, and then close it up. Now, I will say the biggest downfall to this case is it is heavy and it like doubles the weight of your iPad. But you get the trackpad feel, which is amazing. Yeah, so then you get the mouse part of it, so you can do whatever you need to there. We'll do that. And then you can swipe, like it's got all the same kind of functions and stuff. Yeah, it's great that way, so you can go through, do your thing, and then type. Like the keyboard it's just high quality, so highly recommend you grab one of these if you do a lot of, essentially stuff on your iPad and want to use it as a trackpad a bit instead of having to touch up here all the time. I had the other Apple case before this, and I love this one more just because of the trackpad option, and it's actually a pretty good area of real estate. Like it's definitely usable, and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, and you got all the functionalities and still on it too. So yeah, highly recommend this product. It's been great.